It's official, ladies and gentlemen. Bang& Olufsen have just announced a brand new flagship level soundbar. This is going to be called the Beosound Premier. Just came out a few hours ago. It is a beast of a model. The Beosound Premier is going to technically be in between the company's Beosound stage and their Beosound theater. This is an almost a top tier level soundbar in many ways because of the design. It can it can stand alone, or you can even integrate it into a larger B&O setup if you want to do so. This thing is massive. The soundbar has 10 speakers drivers inside. You have front drivers, side drivers, and upward firing drivers. This is for a full Dolby Atmos experience. They are also coming with 10 amplifiers. This soundbar comes with 10 amplifiers inbuilt in the unit. Now you get a total output of 580 watts. That's what you are getting. The company says that at the center of Beosound's Premier is one of its most striking design elements, the upward firing driver. It's not just technical necessity, it symbolizes Bang& Olufsen's engineering craftsmanship. They also want you to get a full 7.1.4 channel decoding with this soundbar. Yes, it's an all-in-one unit more or less, but it will allow you to get almost that kind of experience. And the company says that they are using their proprietary wide stage technology to expand the soundstage in the heights and the width of the sound that you listen to. They have an integrated Dolby Atmos 7.1.4 decoder. That's what you get inside. This model also has multiple connections at the back of it. For instance, you also have the fact that it's fully specced out in many ways. The other thing you have to look at again is that it's coming with HDMI ERC. It can play music through Apple AirPlay 2, Bluetooth, Spotify Connect, and BeoLink multi-room connection. So they are getting this with all these features. The soundbar also, the brand says that it can also be part of their BeoLink surround system. It's going to be able to allow wireless addition of extra speakers and subwoofers for a full Dolby Atmos movie experience. This is incredible, and it's quite possibly almost like similar to Sonos speakers, the way Sonos speakers connect with other Sonos products. Bang& Olufsen says that their new soundbar is highly flexible. It's very flexible, and it's going to support many different types of speaker systems that they already sell. This all Dolby audio formats is here. You get DTS support, but you won't get DTSX. So that's one thing that I can't find here. There's no DTSX. That's one thing you won't get here, but it does have a lot of features. It even has this cradle to cradle certified bronze. It's a product that's designed to perform with the top brands out there that makes other soundbar. And they also say that the body part is even recyclable. It's upgradable as well. I don't know what they mean by upgradable, but like they're saying that the way they've worked on this model, they could be changes in the features that doesn't rely on you like changing the soundbar or selling it off or getting something different. Now the price is high. The price tag is really high. It's a luxury soundbar. If you want to buy it, it's gonna be priced at $5,800. $5,800 is the official price tag. If you want to buy it in the UK, it is priced at £3,900. If you also want to buy it in the European market, it's €4,900. Now the Beosound Premier is twice the price of the Beosound Stage soundbar. it's it's crazy. Although the Beosound stage is Bang& Olufsen's least expensive soundbar, so it's also even it's cheaper than the company's flagship, which is their Beosound Theater. Now that model is something else entirely. So look, what I will say here in essence is that you just have to take a look at this model and confirm if it is something that you want in your setup and if you can afford it, because paying $5,800 will not be for many people. They will not be able to afford to pay this. Bang& Olufsen is a high-end brand. They've maintained quality for several years, and they also say that with the way they've worked on this model, they are giving you one of the best soundbars you can pay for. So they have taken a different approach to this design of the soundbar. You get 90 responsive LEDs that illuminate the product with this glow that makes it very, very beautiful. It changes with the user's preferences. It's beautiful, honestly. It's absolutely beautiful. And it comes in this all natural aluminum finish. That's the finish you're getting it in. The Beosound Premier is 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 very, very elegant. And also there are other finishes you can buy it in. You can either get it in gold tone, there's gold tone finish, or you could also get it in black finish. There's this black finish it comes in. So you get like these three colors, and you'll be able to now purchase it from your website officially at the end of this year and the start of next year. That's the way they put it. In fact, this model should be competing against Kef's new sound, but their XIO model, the Zhao model. So this can at least compete with that. Even though it's a lot more expensive than the Kef new soundbar, it's also going to compete with other brands out there from Samsung. I know Samsung might not be in a position to make soundbars that rival top tier brands like Bang& Olufsen, but it's definitely going to be that competitive. It will definitely compete with the big boys out there as well. And the other thing again with this model is that like I said, it supports Dolby Atmos, but you are not gonna get DTS:X, which is fine. The power consumption is 80 watts, and it comes with Bluetooth 5.4. It comes with Bluetooth 5.4, so it's crazy. So look, I will drop all the necessary information for you guys down below so you can check it out. Do subscribe to the channel, do like our content. I'll see you guys very much next time.